How to change your age on Hinge. Hinge normally does not allow you to directly edit your age inside the app because your age is pulled from what you originally entered when you created your account. That is, with email or phone number or from Facebook or Apple login. So to change the age on Hinge, you will need to edit your data. Now there are different ways you might have signed up to Hinge. If you opened Hinge using Facebook, then you will need to edit your date of birth on Facebook. That way, Hinge will automatically update your date of birth. Open Facebook on your device and go to your profile. On your profile, you will see different options like Post, About, Reels and Photos. Go to About section. Select the option See Your About Info. If you scroll down, then you will see your birthday. Click on that and change your birth date. If you have used your phone number or email to sign into Hinge, then in this case, you will need to create a new Hinge account. Delete the existing account and again open a new account using your email or phone number, but this time make sure that your email has the correct date of birth. If you need any assistance or have any questions to be asked, you can directly contact Hinge. You can go to their support page or contact page. That's all for today. Thank you.